Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. Chris here at Earner Trade, bringing you 4 more levels of my very own that I've got marked off on my charts that I'll be monitoring as I go forward in trading. Let's take a look here and go down 3 lines today, which is going to bring us to 8307. We have this marked off because right around this area, we could even round it to 8310. It's an area that we found very important resistance along the way up, shut the market down heavily, then again before ultimately working above it. Now, we did just recently, before recording this video, start falling back below it. I'm going to keep my eyes on this location and be weary of resistance building around it. If resistance does build, my eyes drop us down to 80.10. It's a lower area of support that led to the strength that the market needed to break through that 83.10. Above the market where we're currently trading at 84.9, we have a higher area of resistance that's going to be very important to break from the past in order to keep marching forward. And above that even further, the next big challenge I feel will be at 86.17. Have a good one, good luck, and I'll see you all very soon.